I sent in a Louis Vuitton reverse monogram pochette metis for repair, and I am finally getting it back. I submitted it for repair in October, and today is January 20th, and today is the day that I picked it up. I did look over it in a store. It looked pretty good, but now that I'm home, I just really want to analyze it very closely and see how good of a job they did. So this is the same dust bag that I had before, and I believe I gave them the strap to put on the inside of this. So yep, here she is, the strap. Apparently this entire flap was replaced. There was bubbling on this part, so I guess they couldn't get the bubbling out, so they just replaced the entire panel. The handle has no damage on it. There wasn't any damage on it because I barely used this bag, so it was in very good condition. Everything's in very good, basically new condition. So it looks very good. At least the outside. So this is the piece that was replaced. Everything else should be the same. Let's see. I thought there was a pin mark on this part, and I was told that they couldn't fix that, but I'm trying to see where it is. Okay, yeah. Right here. Don't know if you can see that, but there's a very small pin mark that I did also mention, but it's very hard to see, and they said that you know, they probably would have charged me for replacing this. So this part was free of charge. So I felt it. This part I will have to use it more because it feels like it's stiff and kind of like bowing out that way. So this will need to like be reshaped and flattened out. It's very stiff. It feels a lot thicker. And one thing I noticed when I opened it just now is that there's wrinkling here, and I'm gonna be very honest, I don't remember if it was like that before. Like where they re-sewed the straps on, it has a wrinkled appearance. So that is probably going to cause me issues in the future with use. So if anybody has a pochette metis already, please let me know if yours is like that. Like I said, I don't remember it being like that before. I thought it was a lot more smooth, just kind of like the rest of it. So maybe they put this part on too tight or something. I'm not really sure. But other than that, I would say this was a successful return. I will have to keep an eye on this because like I said, I already don't really like how that looks. Yeah, but I have also been thinking about getting rid of this bag because like I said, I've had it since 2022 and I've only used it about 3 or 4 times. So for me, the cost per wear does not make sense. So I think it might be time to let this go and get a bag that kind of like fits me a little bit better. But this bag is very beautiful. I do like it. It's just, I think it just doesn't fit into my lifestyle. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that. Like I said, if anyone has a pochette metis, please let me know if yours is like this, where the handle connects like underneath that part. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.